1926.911 Misfires. 1926.911 A. If a misfire is found, the blaster shall provide proper safeguards for excluding all employees from the danger zone. 1926.911 B. No other work shall be done except that necessary to remove the hazard of the misfire, and only those employees necessary to do the work shall remain in the danger zone. 1926.911 C. No attempt shall be made to extract explosives from any charged or misfired hole. A new primer shall be put in and the hole reblasted. If refiring of the misfired hole presents a hazard, the explosives may be removed by washing out with water or, where the misfire is under water, blown out with air. 1926.911 D. If there are any misfires while using cap and fuse, all employees shall remain away from the charge for at least 1 hour. Misfires shall be handled under the direction of the person in charge of the blasting. All wires shall be carefully traced and a search made for unexploded charges. 1926.911 E. No drilling, digging, or picking shall be permitted until all missed holes have been detonated or the authorized representative has approved that work can proceed.